Today, we're going to look at applications of creative drama in classroom, including its effect on language development and literacy skills, social and emotional learning, critical thinking and problem solving, and collaboration and teamwork. First, we're going to look at language development and literacy skills. People can learn languages best if they practice speaking them in a natural environment. Creative drama and the improvisation and role-playing it encompasses creates such a natural environment. During creative drama, students have the opportunity to practice their language in everyday situations through embodying realistic roles and characters, which allows them to develop their basic language skills of listening and speaking. The stress-free and fun environment a creative drama creates makes students open up and encourages them to speak, even if they have not yet perfected the language they are speaking in. The evaluation phase of a creative drama is also important for the development of listening and speaking skills. Questions that should be asked during this phase include: how did you feel? What did you hear? What did you think? What did you learn? What did you realize? In this phase, students especially learn how to express their emotions and opinions. In this way, students become more courageous and willing to speak, which has a positive effect on their self-confidence and their language skills. Through creative drama activities, students can learn various language development and literacy skills. These include active listening, as the students have to actively listen to their classmates to be able to understand what is going on, what emotions their classmates are expressing, and the new ideas their classmates are introducing to the creative drama. They also include pronunciation, because students need to speak clearly so that their classmates can understand them, as well as understanding and using abstract words and metaphors, as well as non-verbal communication. Students also learn to carefully observe, which will help them when they later on have to analyze texts, as well as enhance their vocabulary. Now, let us look at social and emotional learning. Students learn to be more self-aware. Self-awareness is the ability to recognize and accurately describe your own feelings, thoughts, and their effects on your behavior. It includes being aware of your strengths and weaknesses. A heightened self-awareness leads to a heightened self-confidence. In a creative drama, students are given the opportunity to reflect on how they feel in certain situations and why. This can be reinforced if the tasks they are given include that they act out experiences of a character. The student then relates the experiences of the character they are acting out and the reactions of the character to their own personal experiences and reactions. Another aspect students learn is social awareness. This is the ability to understand individuals, including those from different backgrounds and cultures, and to be respectful of other perspectives, ideas, and emotions. It also includes the ability to communicate with peers, to be aware of signals within nonverbal communication, and to read the room. Creative drama enhances the social awareness of students, as it makes them empathize with others to be able to understand what their classmates are trying to communicate. It also allows students to be more comfortable with communicating with others about ideas and emotions. Finally, another aspect of social and emotional learning is responsible decision-making. This is the ability to evaluate a situation realistically and make decisions that prioritize the well-being of oneself and of others while reaching the intended goal. Creative drama provides a learning environment that encourages students to take responsibility in the real-life scenarios they act out. This leads to the students having to make responsible decisions to navigate the scenarios and reach the objectives the instructor or the teacher gave them, without neglecting the well-being of themselves and of their classmates. This is especially true if the scenarios include challenges that the students need to overcome together. Now, let us look at critical thinking and problem solving. Critical thinking encompasses questioning, analyzing, interpreting, and evaluating something, as well as taking into account different perspectives. Critical thinking is related to problem solving, which involves recognizing a problem, thinking of various ways to solve it, deciding which of these ways is the best, and evaluating the chosen result. As a creative drama is usually done as a team, students also learn to incorporate different ideas and opinions into their problem-solving techniques, and to critically evaluate the opinions and ideas their classmates have. In creative drama, the critical thinking and problem-solving skills of the students are challenged through numerous situations that they encounter through several characters. For example, students can be presented with a situation where they have to make a difficult decision as a team. This means that together, the students will have to think of different possibilities for the decision they will have to make, and discuss which one they will choose at the end. Now, we will examine collaboration and teamwork in creative drama. Collaboration and teamwork skills include skills such as the ability to work together and communicate effectively with others. Creative drama activities help develop these skills, as students often need to work as a group. This means that they will have to communicate with each other, empathize with others, and consider different perspectives. Creative drama also allows students to assume different roles when it comes to teamwork, as different characters will behave differently when it comes to teamwork. Some might lead the teamwork, whilst others might be too shy to voice their opinion. By assuming different personalities, the students will learn to understand the emotional experiences of different people and to respect the opinions of everyone. Finally, let us look at applications of creative drama that promote language development and literacy skills, social and emotional learning, critical thinking and problem solving, and collaboration and teamwork. One of these applications is the hot seating technique. Here, one student is engaged in a dialogue by the rest of the students. They ask the students questions about their character's personality, experiences, thoughts, and feelings. This supports the students' language skills, as they have to answer or ask the questions. It also promotes their critical thinking skills, as they are confronted by a task, answering a question that they first need to analyze to be able to understand fully. Furthermore, the hot seating technique supports the social and emotional learning skills of the students, as the students have to answer the questions without getting annoyed, and the interviewers need to ask questions where they, through nonverbal communication signals, notice that the student has more to say. Another application is the unfinished material technique, where the students receive a text where a paragraph is missing, and they need to act out the missing paragraph so that the text makes sense. Here, the students need to work together effectively so that they can reach the goal and create something that makes sense. Additionally, the emotional and social learning of the students is promoted, as they need to actively listen to their classmates and adapt to new situations so that the drama is guided in the right direction. Finally, students also need to use critical thinking and problem solving to tackle the situation and find a solution that works well. A final application is the flashback technique. Here, students need to delve into the past of their characters and act out a scene of the past of their characters. This strengthens the literacy skills, as the students need to articulate their ideas clearly and connect them to the present. It also furthers their social and emotional learning, as the students need to pay attention to each other and work together harmoniously. This application also targets the problem-solving skills of the individuals, as they have to, with creativity, think of a scene from the past that logically fits to the present. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you now know how to apply creative drama techniques in the classroom. We hope you have a pleasant day.